legal experts think this verdict could have bigger implications down the road. IT reporter Sarah Plake has been digging into that all day. She joins us with more context on the impact of this ruling. What did you find out, Sarah?
Judge Young put a lot of importance on this word, curtilage. Curtilage is the area around your property or home that are not open to the public, and that's what this case came down to. While Eric DeValkenaere's defense argued that he had to shoot and kill Cameron Lamb to defend his partner, Sergeant Schwalm, Judge Dale Young's ruled that DeValkenaere and Schwalm shouldn't have been on the property in the first place that day in 2019.
The court is compelled to further conclude that the state has met its burden to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Sergeant Schwalm and defendant were the initial aggressors in the encounter with Cameron Lamb.
Kansas City criminal defense attorneys Greg Watt and John Paserno offered their analysis to KSHB 41 News, and they both agree they didn't expect the judge to base his guilty ruling mostly on a violation of the Fourth Amendment. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable search and seizure. The officers didn't have a search warrant or permission to be on the property when Lamb was killed.
From my perspective, I thought that the self-defense aspect of it was a little stronger than obviously what it turned out to be.
I am surprised about that, having heard that, because law enforcement officers have, as we know, and I think society in general wants to grant them a great amount of latitude in performing their official duties. So in other words, if they felt that there was reasonable suspicion that a crime had been committed, we want them to investigate that type of activity.
Paserno said the reason it's surprising is because there hasn't been a case like this in Kansas City history, and he's 100% expecting DeValkenaere to appeal in the hopes that the judge tripped up.
If there's an error in the law, and in applying the law that comes back to a judicial decision, that is when you have legitimate grounds for appeal, and those are when cases get reversed.
Of course, DeValkenaere's defense team has not filed an appeal as of yet. Paserno said DeValkenaere's defense chose a bench trial, likely because the jury might have been too emotional and would side with Lamb, and they were hoping that the judge, who knows the law, would base his ruling on the law. Obviously, it didn't turn out in their favor, at least for right now. In the newsroom, I'm Sarah Plake, KSHB 41 News.